Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Google storage space directly from Gmail step by step. This lets you see how much storage you've used and how much space is left in your Google account. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to Gmail and sign in to your account. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your Google storage usage, such as 10 gigabytes of 15 gigabytes used. To see more details, click on the Storage link. A new page will open. Here, you can see how much storage is being used by Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. You can also check how much storage is left in your Google account. If your storage is almost full, you can delete unnecessary files or upgrade your storage plan. And that's it. You've successfully checked your Google storage space from Gmail. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.